Hi everyone, today we're looking at how to show or hide entire sections on command with Interactor. Here's today's example. We have a button that once clicked shows the section below. Clicking it again hides it. There's actually more than one ways to do this, so let's get into it. First, we create a button and some elements in a different sections to work with, giving both the button and the section with the content unique IDs. In this section with the pricing boxes, we've added some custom CSS, a class called Hidden, and we set it to display None. So when this class is added, it will hide the section. We don't want it to show initially, so we had the class in the advanced menu of the advanced tab for the section. Now we won't see it once the page loads. As you can see, it won't show unless toggled on with the button. Let's go back to the editor and check our Interactor work. First, we have a trigger called click toggle button. Firing event is click, target is toggle, which is the ID we gave the button. We connected it to the toggle section event, where we've set up one of the ways to achieve the intended outcome. We've set the event to be an animation called fade toggle, targeted the section using its unique ID of pricing, and that's it. There's no CSS classes involved in this method, so it's definitely easier. We can use toggle show hide too for the same effect, but without the fade. Another way is using interactions instead of animations. Let's try toggle class. What this will do is toggle the specified CSS class once the connected firing event is fired. In this case, the parameter to toggle is hidden, which is the class we've given it before. As you can see, this is similar to the toggle show hide animation effect, except it's adding and removing a class. We can see this with the inspection tool. In fact, as it shows here, we can even remove the class manually and it will have the same effect.